the team of the Portland In Project, we're very thankful that DAKOK and their members are here today. There's been a lot going on, even though it was raining earlier. There's been lots of young members of the community have come out in particular, and they were helping with lots of rubbish clearing up, which is really important to our community because locally sometimes we have environmental challenges and there can be lots of rubbish. So we really appreciate the work that you've done to collect all of these bin liners of rubbish. That's really brilliant. Also, the street level barbershop has been a great success. We've probably had about 6 children already get haircuts. I will also get my haircut. They don't know that yet. So that's really, really lovely. And the children are very excited that members of DAKOK are here today. So yeah, we're just really grateful for the work that you're doing in our community. And yeah, we really welcome that. So thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
ئەمڕۆ سێی چوار لە شاری ستۆک کۆنترێن وەکو ئەنجامانی ڕیکخراوی داکۆک لەگەڵ ڕیکخراوێکی خێرخوازی ئینگلیزیە هەستاوین بە ئەنجامدانی دووچالاکی. یەکەمیان چالاکیەکی ژینگەیە بۆ پاکردنەوەی ژینگە، دووەمیشیان وەکو چالاکیەکی خێرخوازیە کە سەری هەنێ مناڵ و خەڵکی چاک ئەکرێ و هەوڵ ئەین کە لە داهاتووە کاری باشتر و بەردەوام بین لەم چالاکیانە.